Here we are at 7 p.m. Well, I think it's 7 p.m. 7 or 7:30 p.m. Look how quiet it is. How's that, Chris? Beautiful, nice, cool air. Nice street lighting. No one about, no noise. No screaming motorcycles. This is what I want in Thailand, to be in a nice rural area. Away from people. It's just nice to have, just hear the crickets. Can you hear the crickets? Oh, look at that. Street lighting works really well, doesn't it? Then I walk back to the unit. I hate screaming motorcycles, and I hate people at 5 a.m. in the morning, and chickens crying at 2 a.m. Back into the den.